Hey, I'm Sharon from Excel at Work, where we offer straightforward, non-technical assistance to help you save time, work smarter, and improve your Microsoft Office skills. If you're wanting to become a confident, super productive user of Microsoft Office, you've come to the right place. Now, you might be just starting out, which is just fantastic, or you may be needing a quick refresher for that upcoming job interview, which is always great, right? And you prefer non-technical explanations, then you're going to enjoy all of the videos on offer here. So here's what you'll find in our channel. Guidance on features that sit in the beginner to high-end intermediate level of skill. We tell people we specialise in beginner to beyond proficient topics, meaning we do dip our toe into some advanced topics, but again without the technical speak. Now you might be asking, well, what does proficient mean? To us it means skills that are the most sought after by the businesses we constantly work with. These are the skills that are generally required regardless of job description, the industry type, department or business size. The many businesses we work with continually ask us to guide their teams in becoming proficient in the same key topics we cover here in our channel. For example, in Excel, formulas and lookup functions and pivot tables, creating professional presentations and documents in PowerPoint and Word, and managing mail and your time using Outlook. The list goes on, and with Microsoft 365, it's continually growing. Now, here's what you won't get on our channel. You won't find anything that is super advanced or majorly technical here. If this is what you are looking for, there are plenty of amazingly talented people on YouTube who can assist you, and we wish you well in connecting with them. Now, here's another thing you won't find on our channel. Overwhelm from complicated technical speak. We don't want that for you. We want to guide you into becoming a confident, super productive user of Microsoft Office, with us offering you practical, straightforward guidance. And that's why Susan and I have created this YouTube channel. We are both certified Microsoft Office specialists, and each of us have been delivering workshops in Microsoft Office for 20 plus years. That's each of us, not collectively. We run training sessions for large multinationals right down to small mum and dad owner operated businesses. And we specialise in taking newbies and opening up the marvellous world of Microsoft products to them without the technical overwhelm. So if you are over, and I mean over, doing it the long hard way, or having that knot in your tummy every time you open an application like Excel or Word, come join our community and let us be your guides to becoming a more confident, super productive you. Just hit that subscribe button, ring that notification bell, and you'll be front of the queue to receive all the goodness on offer. By the way, we love to connect, so if you'd like to connect, say hi in the comments below. We look forward to meeting you there. Hey, thanks again for watching. Go well, and I hope to see you again real soon.